Hi, welcome to our introduction of ASP.NET 4.5 from Eduonix. And I'm Patty Crossway. And we're just going to take a look at what we're going to cover in this course. The goal of this course is to introduce ASP.NET. We are illustrating ASP.NET functionality using the current version of .NET 4.5. It would be helpful to have some basic knowledge of web development. More helpful would be to have some experience with web development using other languages or platforms, such as classic ASP, PHP, or Java. The example solutions are developed in one of the following: Microsoft Visual Web Developer 2010 Express, Microsoft Visual Studio Express 2012 for web, or Microsoft Visual Studio Express 2013. The development environment corresponding to the example will need to be installed to be able to load and run the example solutions. The AdventureWorks sample database for SQL Server will also need to be installed. All are free downloads from Microsoft. The hyperlinks above are current as of January 2014. Now, this is our course outline. What we're going to cover in Section 1, we'll have a section on the evolution from classic ASP to ASP.NET. We'll have a simple ASP.NET program. We'll cover directives, and then some more ASP.NET syntax. In Section 2, we'll take a look at web server controls, HTML controls, view state and the page lifecycle, master pages, and working with controls dynamically. Section 3 will go over some data access elements, data source controls, data access controls, XML file access, data collections, and some connection info best practices. Section 4 will take a look at some site navigation controls that you can use. Excuse me. Section 5 will be about ASP.NET Ajax. We'll have an overview and an example. Section 6 will take a look at web pages. We'll look at Razor syntax, web pages layouts and folders. We'll also look at forms and objects. We'll look at files and databases for web pages. And then we'll look at the web pages helper classes. Section 7 will be a complete application example using MVC, Model View Controller. And Section 8 will be a complete web forms application example. And that concludes our introduction. Thank you.